Okay, this next lesson is over solving equations, and we did a little bit more at the end of the year with variables on both sides. Okay, what I highlighted is the big idea. Okay, and you're not going to have to do all three steps on every problem. Okay, but this is the most you'll do on a problem. So the most you would do on any of these problems on the puzzle, you'd get all the x's on one side first, and they're all going to be positive x's. Okay, get rid of the smaller positive x by subtracting it from both sides. Okay, next thing you're going to do is get all the numbers away from your x. So if there's a number added to x, you want to subtract it from both sides. If there's a number subtracted from x, you want to add it to both sides. And the very last thing you want to do is to divide to get rid of the multiplied number. Okay, this will be on the top of your Canvas screen if you want to go back to this. Okay, but what I also wanted to do is show you what you're going to get when you download the puzzle. Okay, your Canvas assignment, the puzzle. When you first download it, it says best to view at 50% or 75%. So I would go to the three dots on the top right-hand corner, click, and then go down to zoom and click that negative button until you get to, I want to go 50. Click it till you get to 50% and then click out of it. And what you see is the direction page when you first do this. It just says solve each equation, no spaces. Okay, just type in the answer, and that's it, no spaces anywhere. Every time you get a correct answer, the red type turns black, and then you're going to get part of the picture. If it stays red, that just means you got the answer wrong. So you just want to try again. Okay, you want to try to get all these right so you get the picture. Okay, notice here on the bottom left-hand corner, you have directions, which is where we are. If you click the solve button, you'll get to the actual puzzle. Okay, the set of problems. Let's do number 1 and 12. Okay, that sounds good just to get two examples. Problem 1. Negative 6x minus 2 equals 22. Of course, you can't write on your screen like I am. Just use scrap paper. Okay, first look for x's on both sides. Okay, there isn't. Okay, next thing, look for anything added or subtracted to x. Okay, and there is. Okay, there's a 2 that's subtracted. So I'm going to, I know this is going to be really messy, but I'm just going to write on top of this. I'm going to add 2 to both sides to get rid of the subtracted 2. Okay, the subtracted 2 and the added 2 go away. So that's going to leave me with negative 6x on the left and 24 on the right. Okay, now I need to get rid of my multiplied number, my multiplied negative 6, by dividing each side by negative 6. Okay, when I divide each side by negative 6, I'm left with x on the left and a negative 4 on the right, because a positive divided by a negative is a negative. Okay, so I get x equals negative 4. Okay, I'm going to take that away, and I'm going to show you. We're just going to, let's see. We just need to go to the x equals spot, click. Don't put any spaces. Just type in the negative 4 that we got. Whoops. See how it's red now? Okay, if I click enter, give it a minute. Okay, see it turned black, and it gives me part of the puzzle. See that? Okay, so if it would have stayed red, you would have wanted to try again, but you do have to give it a minute. It's being slow. Okay, let's do number 12. And again, I'm just going to write on top of the screen here. Just going to write over here. Okay, 8x plus 2 equals 6x plus 14. Okay, we're doing number 12. Okay, look for x's on both sides first. And in this problem, there is x's on both sides. So get rid of the smaller one. Okay, get rid of the 6x by subtracting 6x from both sides. Okay, when you do that, on the left, you have 8x minus 6x, which is 2x plus 2 equals 14. Okay, we have 2x plus 2 equals 14. Okay, now think about getting the x's alone. We have two x's on the left. We want them all alone. We want to get rid of the added 2. Okay, get rid of the added 2 by subtracting 2 from both sides. I should have had you guys draw the river. Do that if you want to. Okay, 2 minus 2 goes away. You're left with 2x. And over on the right, you have 14 minus 2, which is 12. Okay, now get rid of the multiplied number last. Get rid of the multiplied 2 by dividing by 2. Okay, we end up with x on the left equals 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay, so problem 12 is equal to x equals 6. Okay, I'm going to take that off my screen. Okay, I'm going to click up to problem 12 where it says x equals. I'm just going to click on top of that space, and I'm going to type in 6. Okay, it's red. I'm going to click enter. Hopefully it will turn black and I'll get part of my puzzle. So I clicked enter. Okay, so it turned black and I'm getting more of my puzzle. Okay, you want to just do these really carefully. Take your time. Make sure the red's turning black. You get part of the puzzle. If you need help with this, guys, contact me. I'll help you. I can give you some hints, or I can help you along with this. Just do the best you can, and let me know if you have any troubles at all. This is good stuff. I think you'll like this.